What's up, Degens? Crypto B here, hitting you with the hottest crypto news in the last 6 hours. Gear up for some mooning winners, wrecked losers, and the latest alpha that'll have you diamond handing through the volatility. New updates every 6 hours, so let's dive in. First up, price movements. Hash is skyrocketing with a plus 23.3% pump. Hype is catching some gains at 3.4%, and TRX is inching up by 1.7%. On the flip side, Pump is getting wrecked at minus 8.8%. CC is sliding down at negative 8.1%, and XMR is taking a hit with 6.0%. Market sentiment? We're chilling at neutral. But with these shifts, who knows where we're headed next? Now let's break into the main stories. China's CBDC just made a colossal splash, raking in $55 billion in cross-border payments. This isn't just a big number, it's a gigantic leap towards the global embracement of digital currencies. With the mBridge initiative steering the ship, this marks a pivotal moment in the adoption of CBDC projects worldwide. Folks, we're witnessing history here. Next, Bitcoin options just outpaced futures in trading volume for the first time, signaling a historic shift. This isn't just about beating records, it's about the evolving sophistication in how institutions and savvy traders hedge against crypto volatility. But be wary, retail investors. This terrain is getting trickier by the minute. Update on the Ethereum front. The Validator exit queue has vanished as staking demand skyrockets. This isn't the same old song. It's fresh harmony. With the queue gone, it's clear evidence of booming confidence in Ethereum's future and its proof-of-stake consensus. This surge in staking is not just a blip, it's a loud signal of Ethereum's strengthening ecosystem. Turning to the mining sector, the outlook is looking bleak despite a recent dip in Bitcoin difficulty. With a falling hash rate and miners hesitating to restart their rigs, it's painting a not-so-pretty picture for the future of crypto mining. This downturn could signal deeper issues within the mining landscape, so let's keep a close eye on this development. Before we wrap, let's glance at the NFT scene. Bored Ape Yacht Club's floor price is up plus 3.2% at 20.50 ETH, Pudgy Penguins slid by minus 1.5% to 8.20 ETH, and Azuki's painting a smile on holders' faces with a plus 5.8% increase to 12.80 ETH. The NFT market's buzzing, and these collections are at the heart of the action. So, dear Degens, that's the alpha for the last 6 hours. Keep your notifications on blast for our round-the-clock updates. Smash that subscribe button if you haven't yet, and I'll catch you in the next video for more crypto craziness. Remember, check the description below for reference links to dive deeper into these stories. Crypto B, signing off. Next update in 6 hours. Stay degen, my friends.